Alright YouTube, I'm back. I'm gonna be working on this ice machine. Was here yesterday and I was called that the unit wasn't making any ice, so this is what I found. A broken ice thickness probe. So we have to come back today and replace it, and we also advised the customer that the unit needed to be serviced. As you can see, this unit needs to be serviced. Look at that. Oh my god, that's a lot of scale buildup right there. That's nothing compared to, look how this is. Oh man, this thing is completely plugged up. Completely plugged up. It's in really bad shape. So water pump is there. I already sprayed it with some water, but I'm gonna spray some solution to get that cleaned up and remove that water level sensor there. We're gonna clean the unit. Okay, and got some parts here already removed. See a lot of scale. Been in bad shape already. So stick around. Let's see how this goes. Okay, so I got the parts already, some parts off already, off the unit I'll say. And got the ice machine cleaner here. So I'm cleaning them as I go. Place them here. You know, you gotta get a brush and clean them really good, or the best way possible. Of course they're not gonna be perfect, but you just gotta start, scrubbing this unit. Yeah, just clean up all the parts with ice machine cleaner. And that's just how you clean these units. Take them apart, clean them. So then after we're done, we are gonna put it all back together and run the ice machine cleaner through the system. All right. Okay, so we are making progress already. Put the water distribution, all that back together. Bracket that holds the ice thickness. It's clean. Well, clean it, put it back together. So we're making progress, like I said. Got the water tray already nice and clean. I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in place. Just have the water curtain. And then we're gonna be replacing the ice thickness. Clean the condenser in the back. Got the water hose here. Looking a mess here, but it's making it a lot easier for me to clean this machine. So yeah, we'll see how this goes. All right, making some progress. Got the ice thickness probe in place already. Went ahead and removed the side panels. Need some cleaning here. Also remove the top plastic guard that goes here on top. I'm gonna go ahead and wash them up, clean them up really good. I'm gonna get in here, wipe all these out, get to the condenser, and run the ice machine cleaner at last, or at the end I'll say. And then we'll see if there's no other issues with this guy. I'm making some progress, cleaning everything here behind where the fan is, all this area. Getting there little by little. Let's go on the other side. Wiping everything down. It's not gonna be perfect, but you always try to do your best, or at least me, I try to do my best on every service call I go to. So we're making progress. See how it goes. Okay, so we got the unit put back together. Running the ice machine cleaner. Water distribution seems to be okay now. It's just looking now. We'll see how it goes. Okay, we got her all back together. Some ice mode. Nice and clean. We're gonna wait for the unit to drop ice. see how it goes. If everything was good, then we'll call it good. Looks like we're good. About to drop ice. So we're gonna call this a good one. Alright. You haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, like my videos, share my videos. I'll catch you on the next one. Okay guys, just finished with that call. Wanted to share a little bit of, you know, what I found with that ice machine. I was there yesterday. I found the unit with the unit not coming on. I found a connection, one of the connectors to the touchpad. Someone had messed with that unit. I believe it wasn't making a good connection, so I played with it a little bit, got it to come on. Got the unit to come on. After that, I noticed that the unit was not going into harvest. I removed the curtain and I found a broken ice thickness probe. So at that point I couldn't do much. It was already kind of late and I didn't have that ice thickness probe with me, so I told the customer I had to come back and replace that ice thickness probe. And I also informed them that the unit needed to be serviced. So they gave me the okay to come the following day, which was today, and service the machine and replace that ice thickness probe. Everything went smooth. Clean it out. As you can see, that unit was really dirty. Yeah, they also provided me with a water filter. They gave me a water filter, so I ended up replacing the water filter for them. They were really happy. Ice machine was operational. So yeah, that was it. That's just the way it goes sometimes. I'm gonna start making more videos, posting them up on my channel. You know, just whatever I encounter. Could be from an ice machine cleaning to an AC unit, make a pair unit, small prep tables, whatever. You know, it's just I'm gonna start recording a little bit more. So stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, like my videos, share my videos. So yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Stay tuned.